Hey, to enable snore detection on the Samsung Galaxy Fit 3, all you have to do is just to swipe down from this notification bar, click on the settings, now scroll down and move into the Samsung Health. From this you have to scroll, move into the sleep, and now go to the snore detection. So just click on it, and as you can see when you click on it, we've got some information on our smartphone. So we have to actually install this additional application, the Samsung Health. So let's do this. Now we have to wait for this downloading process. It will take around 5 to 10 seconds. If your connection is good, then we have to click open, and now we have to sign in with the Samsung account, so click here. Now we'll be redirected into the Samsung account, and as you can see, when you are previously connected with the Galaxy wearable application, you will be actually able to use the same account right here. So we can just click to continue. If you have any other screen, like you have to log in or something else, just simply follow on-screen instructions and log in into the application. Now we just have to wait. If it takes more than 10 seconds, I'm gonna actually restart and try to open it one more time. I'm gonna actually get rid of the notifications. There we go. Okay, my screen is black, so let's restart this application because something is wrong. Let's open it one more time. Let's click continue. Let's accept this. Okay, we don't even have to accept this one, just click next. And now we have to accept all of these permissions, so we have to click one by one, then click agree, go into the settings, allow settings, alarms and the reminders, then go back from this one. And as you can see now, we've got redirection into the snore detection. So click here, select this one while using the application, click OK, and as you can see, we can detect snoring always or once. And also what is like really useful, that we can even record the audio of the snoring. And it's also keeping this data for like 31 days. And we've got base information. To monitor the snoring, we need to wear our band while sleeping, and when the band detects that we are asleep, our phone microphone listens for the snoring and records it. So it's also really, we have to also remember about putting our phone close to our bed. So maybe just don't sleep. Just don't put it next to your head because it's actually not recommended. But just like 1, 2, 3 meters away from your bed, and yeah, that's basically it. After this, when you've got some information about the snoring, you will get the definitely notification on your watch, on your phone, and also you can check this by going into this application of the Samsung Health and just check some sleep data. So that's how it looks right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.